So good morning, everybody. Morning, those of you watching externally. Morning, those of you watching on geeks.com, on Zoom. If you're on geeks.com, you want to come to Zoom, please do so. There's a link on there for you to come join us. That means you can interact a bit more. You can talk in the chat, whatever. Welcome to this, I think our third probably ESD course here in Ghent and for geeks. And it really is a complete pleasure to be here with everybody today. These courses are something that we're doing on a yearly basis, something that we are really excited to do because it lets us dive more deeply into a topic than we otherwise are able to do. In this case, ESD, in all its forms, I think, in lower GI, upper GI, and hinting a bit at some of the new developments in ESD that have been occurring in the last year. Like recently in the last years. We have a very nice group of people here to undergo training.